Alright, today, so I got the Blade Fusion 360 here. I'm going to just do a basic flight with it. It's a little windy today. It's about 15-mile-an-hour winds, so I don't know what I can do and what I can't do, but I'm going to do my best and just try to show off its performance. Alright, so let's get to it. And spool up.
Idle up 1.
Spool up's a little funny, but it is a nice slow spool up. Kind of cogs a bunch in the beginning, and then it slowly gets there. And takes its time to get up there too. Alright, so that's probably good enough. Idle up 1 and take off. There you go. It's in the air. It's not, wind isn't blowing too much, and that's a hands-off flight, so it's not bad. So definitely, yeah, it's pretty good. And this is right out of the box. I haven't changed any linkages adjustments, so it's pretty level. The Swatchblade pretty level right out of the box. Let's try safe mode real quick. So I'll go like this and yep. And it does power down a little bit in stability mode, which is kind of odd. So once again, so it's gonna still move off, but it does level itself just fine. So there's that. Let's check out the tail performance. So tail that way, other way. So it's pretty good in my opinion. Yeah, tail's not bad. It's not super fast, but it's definitely has a lot of authority. What else? Oh, let's go up and down, down, up, and it holds its tail just fine.
Normal mode. Idle up 2.
I'm going to put it all the way up into idle up 2. Bring it down, stop, go up. So it has plenty of tail authority. I'll give it that. Just do, so yeah, I'm really liking the tail performance on this. This is still on 3S. I may upgrade it to 4S or maybe even 6S, I don't know. And this is full power, 100%, I believe. Just do some flying around. Big old loop. Come back, bring them back. Do, I don't know, front flip. That was kind of ugly and I'm getting blasted by the wind. Another front back flip that's getting thrown by the wind. Usually I could keep them much more stationary. I don't know. A roll, kind of ugly. I'm not the best pilot, so when it's windy, it really shows. But he's quick. Fly him around, he does. I wouldn't say he has plenty of power, but he definitely has quite a bit of power. He's very agile and he flies well too. What else can we do? Let's do another front flip, another back flip. That was a little better. Come on back. Let's do some speed runs while the wind is still blowing. So I'm going against the wind here. And now I'm going with the wind. So he's not lightning fast, but he's quick. Let's try something upside down for a bit. Oh, here comes the wind again. See how well I can do this. There we go. Bring them down. Come on. There he is. Yep. So he flies well upside down too, in the wind. You probably can hear it. So there you go. Maybe I'll go upside down and hit safe mode. Let's try that. Yeah. There you go. That's safe mode right there. Get it off. And my battery's basically dead. So that is the Blade Fusion 360. It's not bad right out of the box. I may go 4S because he's a little weak on power. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. So let's bring him down. Put him into normal mode. You can hear the head speed coming down. And there you go, lands just fine. Sorry, this video couldn't have been better. I'm just fighting the wind here. When you see garbage flying across the field, you know it's a little windy. So that's my flight video. Maybe I'll upgrade this to 4S and do another flight video. I don't know, maybe I'll just go right to 6S. So, but I'll have to do a motor and ESC upgrade for that. So let's see what happens with this little guy, but with this guy. But at this point, I am actually pretty happy with him, to be honest. This is, if this is your first like 350 or 360 sized helicopter, this would be a pretty good choice. All right, thanks.